Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode. In this episode we're gonna make a bouncing ball. So we're gonna make a ball that's gonna bounce around the screen and that's gonna basically be it. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So first thing we need to do is make a setup and let's make a window. And let's see if it works. It works, okay. Um, then we should make a void draw. And let's just do background 51, because why not? Let's see. Yep, that works. Nice. Then for the ball, we need position and its velocity. So we can add velocity to the current position so it moves. So let's make a like p vectors, one for position and vector, and one for velocity. Nope. Um, so velocity and position. Let's say position equals new p vector. Um, and it should be width divided by 2 and height divided by 2. Then for velocity, let's just say new p vector 0 and 0. Then for drawing, we need to draw a ball, which is going to be an ellipse. So let's just draw an ellipse at position.x and position.y with the size of 16 pixels, I guess. And let's make that 16 a number. So int size, that's probably, let's say radius is gonna be 16. Radius. Okay, so if we now run this, we're gonna get the ball at the center of the screen. That's great. That's all we need. Now we should add velocity to position to change the position. So let's just do position.x plus equals velocity.x and position.y plus equals velocity.y. Basically now it should be moving, but we're standing still. So if we like moved it for 1 in x, you see it's moving. So that's a progress. Okay. Now, let's see. So let's randomize this at each run. So let's just say random from 0 to, I don't know, like 10, I guess. Random 10. Let's run this. This is going to be random each time I run it. So yeah, but it's not bouncing. Let's get this sorted out. So if position.x is greater than, if x is greater than width, or position.x is less than 0, then let's do velocity.x equals minus velocity.x, which makes sense because we need to turn it around, right? And then let's make another if statement. Position.y is bigger than height, or position.y is less than 0. And let's do velocity.y equals minus velocity.y. Now it should be bouncing. But we are experiencing some clips. So if we actually move this background up here, you're gonna see that we clip out of the window. So let's get this sorted. So if position x is less than radius divided by 2, and position is bigger than width minus radius divided by 2. Let's just do that for both axes. Let's see, now it should be working. I mean, it's still cutting a little bit down here, but it should be fine. Yeah. Okay. So basically we've done that. Now we can also make some inputs. So like void key pressed, and let's just check if key equals r as randomize. Let's just do velocity.x equals random from 0 to 10, and velocity.y equals random 10. So let's see what that does. So I can just press R, and it's gonna change direction mid-flight. Okay, so that's actually great. Now we should add some more colors, because why the hell not, right? So yeah, let's just, you know what? I'm just gonna do something. I'm gonna do this: p vector color, and at the beginning I'm gonna make the p vector for color a random one. So random from 0 to 255 to 255. Okay, we need RGB, so that's 3 coordinates. Okay, so now we have this, and now the ellipse should fill with that color. So col.x, col.y, col.z. So now the color of it should get randomized each time it's run. So now it's khaki green, blue, purple. Okay, that's great. And now each time the key is pressed, we should randomize the colors as well. So let's just do that, but in a different way. So let's do color.x equals random 255. Oh, x, y, and z. So we can see where we changed the color or the direction. So yeah, I think that's gonna be basically it for this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below and stay tuned for next episode. Take it easy. Goodbye.